Vlogmas Day 2. So anyway, I am making a chicken strip hoagie, and I have the chicken strips. They are made like this. I don't know if you guys can see it. I have tomatoes. I have onions. I have spinach and olive oil. But before I get into this video, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to wear your mask and wash your hands. I'm gonna get started on prepping, and I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can hear it, it's frying good. Okay, I have my washed spinach, I have tomatoes, and I have raw onions, the red kind, and I'm going to put this inside the pan when it come out. Also, I have my Amorosa rolls. So, once that is done, I'll put it together, and my chicken strip hoagie should be ready. The other thing is, I like my rolls to be browned a little bit, so I'm going to actually put that inside the pan. I am going to take out my last two chicken strips. Going to let my roll brown a little bit, and then I will put it together. Okay guys, so hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I am going to, my roll, I browned it a little bit. So now I am going to add mayonnaise. The best mayonnaise is Hillman's mayonnaise. That's the best mayonnaise. Well, okay, that's my opinion. And I have heard a lot of other people say that they love Hillman's mayonnaise. It's one of the best. So I've been using Hillman's mayonnaise for years. I use it in salads and everything else. It gives it a real good taste. Okay, wait a minute. I gotta go get my cheese. Hold on. Okay, so I put my cheese on. My chicken. I'm just going to do two. I am going to do a little bit of cooked onions. Oh, that's my husband. They just came in. Don't mind them if you hear noise. They probably start talking about they want some. We'll see. If I feel like sharing. Here they go. They probably want a sandwich. Y'all can come in here while y'all sitting in here. Don't come in here looking at this. That's right. That's right. There you have it. My chicken strip hoagie. And I'm going to, because I have tomatoes on it, I'm going to give this one to the husband. Here, you can taste it and tell me how it tastes. Okay. No, taste it right there. Come on. Yeah, I know you like it. Alright. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. And stay safe. Bye, besties.